Question number 8. A person of mass 60 kg stands on accurate bathroom scales placed on the floor of the elevator which operates in a tall building. At the certain instant, the bathroom scales reads this much value, that is 58 kg. Which rope could give the person's direction of movement and the type of motion? So this is the person and he is standing on a bathroom scale on the floor of the elevator. So this is the elevator. Now this is the mass of the person, and so from the person there is a weight acting downwards, that is this is the weight of the person. So the weight of the person is 60 g, where g is the gravitational field strength, weight is acting downward, and this reading, that is the reading on the bathroom scale, is the upward force on the person. So this is the upward force on the person, which is the reading on the bathroom scale. So the reading on the bathroom scale is the upward force on the person, which is 58 g, and this is 60 g, which is the weight of the person downwards. So weight is acting downward, and as we can see that the downward force is not equal to the upward force, that means there is some net force, and since the overall force is not zero, so there is no constant speed. Constant speed only occurs if there is the resultant force is zero. But here we can see that the resultant force of 2 Newton is acting downward, that is F net of 2 Newton or 2 Newton is acting downward. Since the resultant force is acting downward and there is some resultant force, so he is not moving at a constant speed. That's why A and C are wrong. Now resultant force is equal to mass into acceleration. So mass into acceleration, and since the resultant force is downward, so acceleration is downward. As acceleration is downward, so if he is moving downward, then he must accelerate. If he is moving downward, then he must accelerate or speed up. If he is moving downward, then he must accelerate, that is speed up. But here it is given that he is slowing down, that's why this option is wrong. If he is speeding up, then this option would be correct. But since he is slowing down, so this is wrong, since he is accelerating downward. But if he is moving upward, then he can slow down. So the remaining option is D. That's why if he is moving upward, then he can slow down. That's why the remaining all the options are wrong. That's why the correct answer is D.